Hello, this is Laura, and welcome to Become a Fluent English Speaker. Welcome to day 49 of your English Fluency Challenge. Today, we are going to work on something extremely important for real fluency: speaking continuously without running out of words or ideas. Because many English learners can speak for a few seconds, but then suddenly stop and think too much. That is what we're going to improve today. Let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever started speaking confidently, but after one or two sentences, your mind suddenly became blank? You knew English, but you did not know how to continue. That is completely normal. Today, we're going to train your ability to continue speaking naturally and smoothly. Let me tell you something important. Fluent speakers do not always know perfect words. They simply know how to continue the flow. That is the secret. Let's start with a simple idea. Expand your sentences. Instead of stopping after one idea, add another thought. For example, instead of saying, "I practiced English today," say, "I practiced English today, and honestly, I felt more confident because I could express my ideas more naturally." This keeps the conversation alive. Now let's go deeper. Use connecting phrases. These phrases help your brain continue speaking naturally. For example, you can say, "At the same time, because of that." On the other hand, or one thing I noticed is, these phrases create flow. Now let's practice. Speak about your day. Start, "Today was quite productive because," continue, add details, feelings, and another idea. Keep going naturally. Now let's move to your first exercise. It is called Keep the Flow. Speak for 1 minute about a simple topic without stopping. For example, talk about your morning routine. Start, "Usually I wake up early and try to start my day positively." Continue. If you cannot think of something advanced, describe simple details. The goal is flow, not perfection. Now your second exercise is repeat and expand. Repeat your idea in a different way and add more information. For example, learning English takes patience. What I mean is that improvement happens slowly, but every small step makes a difference. This gives you more speaking time naturally. Now let's go deeper. Your third exercise is describe your thoughts while speaking. For example, "I am trying to think about the best way to explain this, but I feel like consistency is one of the most important things in learning." Even this keeps the conversation moving. Now let's practice real conversation. Someone asks, "Why do you enjoy learning English?" You respond honestly, "I enjoy learning English because it helps me communicate better and connect with more people. And at the same time, it gives me confidence and motivates me to continue improving myself." This is smooth and continuous. Now let's move to something powerful. Your fourth exercise is avoid short answers. If someone asks a simple question, do not answer with one sentence. Expand naturally. For example, instead of saying, "Yes, I like traveling," and say, "Yes, I really enjoy traveling because I like experiencing new places, meeting different people, and learning about other cultures." This sounds fluent. And now let me share something important. Fluency is not speed. Fluency is continuity. The ability to continue expressing ideas naturally without fear. Now let me talk to you honestly. You have reached day 49. That means your English is not just improving, it is becoming smooth, continuous, and expressive. You are learning how to stay in conversations comfortably for longer periods of time. This is a powerful communication skill. Now let's do one strong exercise together. Speak for 1 minute about your future goals. Start, "One of my future goals is," continue, add reasons, feelings, examples, and reflections. Do not stop too quickly. Keep the flow alive. Now let me give you one powerful tip. If you forget a word, do not stop speaking. Explain the idea using simpler English. Communication is more important than perfection. Now let's do one final practice. Imagine someone asks, "How has your English improved recently?" You respond, "Recently, I've become more confident while speaking because I practice regularly, and I also feel more comfortable expressing my thoughts naturally without overthinking every sentence." This is smooth and natural. Now, before we finish, I want you to take action. Write in the comments, day 49 complete. And this time, write 2 connected sentences about your goals. Keep the flow natural. This is Laura, and remember, real fluency is not about knowing every word. It is about continuing the conversation with confidence and flow. I will see you in day 50. Keep going.